use makeup. Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 24. Okay, so I'm a Hispanic, right? So for Hispanics, today is Christmas. Christmas Eve is where we throw a party and we just stay up all night, have lots of food, watch movies, possibly dance. My family doesn't really dance, but I like to dance. And it's just a good time. On actual Christmas, on the 25th, we don't do anything. The only reason we've been doing something on Christmas Day is because I'm married to George and his family actually celebrates on the 25th, like traditional, normal families. So we just got to my mom's house and we're gonna have some lunch with them. We're gonna have some pozole. So yummy. It's so weird seeing my dad's truck here and knowing that he's not gonna be with us tonight.
Yeah.
So sad. We got to talk to him yesterday, so that's good.
Oh, yes.
Last night I made some flan, and right now we're gonna see if it's ready. Go, mother. Oh my god.
Prepárense para el desastre.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Ta 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 tan.
Ay. Yay! Se mira rico. This is our first time making it. Pero es que ¿cuánto tiempo tiene que pasar, pues?
Es que ahí no dice, ¿va?
No.
Levántate, mujer. ¿Lo probamos? ¿Eh?
Yo quiero.
¿Ya está?
Yo soy el flan expert.
Time for some coffee. Yes. Coffee time. The line is long. Everywhere. Everywhere there's a line. What's up, Matthew?
What's up?
What are you doing?
Helping you out with the coffee?
Yeah. Dang, you don't gotta have all that thing sticking out all the way? Is it a lightsaber?
No.
Coffee time. Oh shit, let's see what we got here. Here we go. She got me a grande. I asked for a venti. Although both Catherine también?
Yeah.
Wow, I wanted a venti, bro. No, I wanted a venti, man. Shake my head, now I'm so sad. God, I'm so disappointed. I guess we're gonna have to go to get Starbucks later on today too. Dang it!
Wow, they really packed on those sprinkles. Why are you sad?
I'm missing this much of my
Oh
cup.
my god, I'm sorry. I was just trying to order them fast and I forgot to change the sizes.
Dang. On the road! Alright, so we just got here to Target and we just got our stuff and now we are gonna go to the house. We are still at Target, just a little bit further down the parking lot, right? So we can go to where?
GameStop.
Why are we going to GameStop, Matthew?
To walk around and get some footage because we forgot to record.
Matthew wants to go to GameStop and I am not opposed to going to GameStop. Yes. So let's go.
Wait, there's no normal one, but this one has better graphics and it comes with 2 DLCs.
Oh yeah? Uh-oh. It's my wife. Let's see what she has to say. Hello?
You go get one.
We need to go get water bottles, Matthew.
It's right there in Target.
Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Whoa, how'd you do that?
We hiss you.
Okay, Matthew, so I have an idea for you. Since you are, how old are you, 13?
12.
You're 12, okay. You're gonna be 13 in March. I need you to start acting like an adult. I need you to pretend to be an adult, okay? Yes. Okay, now, this is your challenge. I need you to go to the water section. Look for the best deal. Goodbye, Matthew. Bye. Okay, so that was a distraction because he just picked up a transformer that he wants for Christmas and you know, like, I've been wanting to get him something like that for Christmas. Actually, we have him something like that for Christmas, but it's only one. And that's dumb. Who only wants one present for Christmas, right? Right, so I'm gonna get him another one. Here, I got it right here, guys. Yes. So I have to buy it, throw it in the car real fast, and run back inside and get Matthew. Yeah. All right, I got it. Now I gotta hurry and run and go get him. Whoa, poor little boy must be traumatized. Let's go see how good of a deal he found for us. Oh, he must be calling me now. All right, pal, what you got there?
We got this.
Okay.
You didn't see the price.
What is it?
24 pack.
24 pack? For how much?
They didn't say the price.
Didn't say the price?
Nope.
So how do you know it's the best deal?
Because it's the best deal in my mind.
Hello?
Okay, so we just got out of Target. We got the waters and the chicken breast.
What?
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
And now we're on the way to the house, drop them off, and start making
Put your seatbelt on, son.
dinner for Christmas Eve. So,
Alright, chicken breast for Matthew, for Chewy. Ooh, nice.
Yep.
What you got there?
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Here you go, Catherine.
Great.
I said, this is God.
First batch of potatoes done.
Ooh, first? You're making multiple potatoes? Great. Praise the Lord. Wow, what a hater.
She's such a hater.
So we just started singing to her. Oh, are they here? Oh, wow. Thank you for coming to our home.
There's more
Welcome to our... Wow, that's a big box.
There's more stuff in the car. That's why I was calling on me.
Wow. What are you doing there? Are you cutting celery?
Yes.
Wow. Ooh, chicken and pork choppers.
Snuck away from the party for a little bit because I want to remove my makeup, and I also want to get into my Christmas PJs just to get comfortable so I can start editing this vlog so I don't get too behind. We are actually less than 2 hours away from Christmas, and at 12 we're opening presents.
Ooh, y'all see them cookies in there? Ooh, cookies.
Matthew, it was 11.
Hopefully they come out looking like this.
Literally, I tried to tell you 3 times.
Are y'all still playing Monopoly?
Yes, you don't want to lose. Look at him. He's struggling over there.
She's struggling? You got all the money, huh?
Look at this.
Ooh. Chewy lost? How'd you lose, Chewy?
She took out my money.
$52.
Dang.
He likes staying in Indiana.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. My beautiful queen. What are you doing in here, my queen?
I'm editing tonight's vlog.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's 11:10ish.
I know. It's almost Christmas.
Almost Christmas time.
Is it time to open presents?
Almost.
I don't even want to. I just want to go to sleep.
Oh, no.
I can take a nap.
I did. I'm taking that right here.
Come join.
Oh my god! Oh my god! No way!
Oh, you got cereal? Wow, that's amazing.
Cereal? What?
Hey, my present is an Amazon box.
Open it.
We've been good, but we can last. Hurry.
Oh, you got cereal?
Yes, Amazon.
Wow.
My Studio Series High Tower.
Surprise.
Yay. There we go. Yay.
Y estos son para Jorge y Catherine.
Ah, no, es una. Ah,
Oh, you got your first kid?
Yes. Y es para Amalia. La emoción. No, es que
Free for you and me, your little bad toys that
Express.
thank you, Jerry.
Those are cute. Show me. I do.
Santa Claus is coming. I know the Santa Claus is
¿Son mis personas favoritas?
George, how do you even need to hide it? How do you even need to hide the puzzles? Yeah, you look.
Que me dio esto.
I went to go buy it.
Que no se sabe.
Yeah.
It's Shan.
You got me the big version.
It's Shan. The one that George was doing there.
What's the car? You already have the gym on me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this the car?
Yeah.
Okay, ready to
Yeah.
Yeah.
We miss you.
Ahí la tenemos la comida.
Bye. I love you.
Ah.
Favorite present that you got this year?
this one.
Y cuando lo miré ahí dije,
The shoes?
ya sé que le voy a dar.
Ooh.
The best present I got this year, I can't pick one. Look at all these.
Oh my gosh.
They're colorful.
Is that all he got? Mom.
What's your favorite present this year?
All of them. Because I actually liked all of them.
Wow. You didn't have to lie this year?
I mean, it's not that I lied before, it's just that like I actually need them.
Mm.
My favorite one was probably all of them too. They're all nice. That all came from the heart and they're all nice.
Okay,
Touch
cool.
this
So I
one.
like them all.
En inglés.
My favorite present, mi wallet. My
Yay! Wow, she really tried with the English. All right, so my favorite present was the candle stand.
Ah.
Wait, hold on.
Look, it's so beautiful.
Matthew, don't ruin it. Okay, my best present is all of you guys. Thank you.
Boo,
Okay,
fake,
so
All of you
fake.
guys. Y'all are great. Thank you for coming. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like down below and a comment also. And we'll see you guys on tomorrow's video.
You didn't ask
Peace.
Catherine.
I picked it.
I told you, look
Matthew
at these.
picked it.
Okay, Matthew.
Look how beautiful that is.
Oh.
Can you stop stepping on my
Wow.
Christmas time.